Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone Wi-Fi settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to stop sharing of your Wi-Fi to another devices on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your phone settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to Wi-Fi. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Advanced Options. Go ahead and click on Save Networks. All the devices that are share your Wi-Fi is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the device that you want to stop sharing your Wi-Fi with. Go ahead and click on the device. Having clicked on the device, then you have the detail right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and click on Forget. Once you click on Forget, they have been disconnected and the Wi-Fi will stop working with them. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android devices like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.